Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. So believe it or not, this design says the same thing as this in exactly the same script, and that script is this one here. And this is like the simple kind of text font showing the SUMMERS, and then this is the artistic kind of calligraphy of how you can put these elements together to make that Gallifreyan style we all know and love. So anyway, this little marker here tells you where to start, bam, which means that this design can be rotated anywhere which way and you'll still know how to read it. So then we have this shallow divot here, and this shallow divot on our word circle is what this is here. So this is the word circle line, bam, and this word circle line is shown here in the curve, and a shallow divot means the letter's in this row somewhere. Now the three lines here mean there's three lines here and it's in this column. And here we have 1, 2, 3 lines. These two thick lines and this thin one. So the curve of the line doesn't matter, the thickness of the line doesn't matter, because that's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, it is an S. Then we have a U. A U is a little guy. We have a vowel there and a vowel there. Here are two vowels in this design. And a U has a line going outwards, away from the middle. So we have the S and the U together in one stack. And if they're letters that are stacked, consonants are read before vowels. So that would be the SU. Then we continue around. Here we have another letter stack. These two M's are the same letter, and you can do that with a double line, and the same thickness is the same letter. So I don't need to add 6 lines to this double M, because I know it's the same letter, because these lines are the same thickness. All I have to have is these 1, 2, 3 lines on the MM, and then we have an E centered right in the middle. So M-M-E, and then we continue around. Here's another letter stack, because these two stems are the same, the R and the S. And R, the thin line, is read before the S, the thick line. And this R has 1, 2, 3 dots, just like there. And this S has 1, 2, 3 lines, just like this S here, that S, and that S. So there we have Summers. And I hope that video explanation helps a lot. I'm super happy for this fancy-dancy little text tool thing, which is just a font. Like, there's obviously a huge difference between the way this looks and the way this looks, but it's super useful for getting the lines and dots and things and stuff you would want on your design. So I can just, do that. Bam. Cool. Because it's a font. Let's go. Okay, but you can't do that to here, because this is all artsified. So yeah, that's that. I hope you like it. Bye. Oh, and Impronounceable made the font. So kudos to that person. They're on the Gallifreyan Discord.